want to show you how to play Return to Cinder by Elvis Presley. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. He sings it in the key of E flat, and let's start with his melody. He starts off on an E flat, E flat, E flat, E, just 5 of them. And he goes up to an F there. So for the intro, so he goes from E flat. So it goes from E flat to C minor. See, here's your E flat to C minor. Then he goes to an F minor to a B flat, which of course the B flat leads back to E flat. So you got E flat to a C, then the bass goes C, 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 F, and then you got an E flat. So that F is F minor. It's going to be like an F minor 7. F, A flat, C, E flat. And then you go to a B flat right there. So the bass is going to be E flat, C, 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 F, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, E flat. And then the melody kicks in. Now the melody is B flat, B flat, G, B flat, G, B flat, B flat, C, G, A flat, B flat. So you got da 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 da, B flat. And then we do it again. B flat, G, B flat, G, B flat, C, G, G, A flat, B flat, B flat, E flat. And then the backup singer sing, she wrote upon it, B flat, C, D, B, C, B flat. And I play that down in this octave. And then we go back up there for the Return to Cinder right here. Now the chorus, it's going to be C and E flat to D and F. Again, C and E flat, D and F, C and E flat, D and F, and then open 4th, B flat and E flat. Okay, now all we got to do is to get the bass with that. Let me play that intro one more time. So that Barry sax is just going to C, da dun da dun da 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 dun da dun da da. And those are the notes that you've got. And then we come in with the melody. Now the bass is going to be the same as that intro. B flat, C minor, F minor, B flat, E flat, C, F, B flat, E flat, and then when we get to the chorus we'll have an A flat to E flat, and I'll show you that in a minute. Well, let me show you the chorus bass is going to be A flat, B flat, B flat, D, D, F, F, D, D, A flat, B flat, B flat, D, D, F, F, D, D, A flat. So you're just going to play. And then the first time you're going to walk it down. E flat, B, D flat, C, C, B flat, B flat, A flat. This time, at the end of that chorus, you got to go into F. And what I'm going to do there is I'm going to go F, F and C, open 5th, and then I'm going to add the 7th, and then we go to B flat, A flat, G, G, F, F, E flat, and then we're back into the second verse. So let's slow it down a little bit, and you can see a little bit more of what's going on. this is tricky right here. What you're going to do, you're going to go D and F, D and F, and what you're going to play in the left hand is right with it. So you play that B flat twice. So each time when you play that 2 D and F C, you got. So you're going to go like. Now the second time you just go straight. But you still play the same thing on the left hand. Now here you got 2 notes again, but you play them right together. But the first time you're going to stay up here on this high E flat. And you're going to walk it down. Okay? So, let me take that chorus slowly so that you can see it. And if you just play it enough, the bass is going to be the same thing every time. A flat, da 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 da, A flat, da 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 da, A flat, da 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 da, D flat, A flat again, A flat, F and C, F, C, and E flat, and you can make those short. And then you're going to walk this B flat, A flat, G, F, E flat, and then we're back into the second verse. Now let me slow it down through the chorus. Second verse. Then you got to prepare your left hand because it's going to go A flat, C, E flat, A flat, C, E flat, E flat, G, B flat, E flat, G, B flat, then F, C, B flat. So you're going to go. So those notes are E flat, E flat, C, E flat, C, E flat, C, E flat, C, C, E flat, C, E flat, E flat, E flat, C, B flat, C, E flat, C, E flat, C, C, E flat, C, E flat, C, F, B flat, D flat, D, B flat. The writing on it, and then it drops down the octave, and then we've got the chorus tag. So let me go through that chorus with the slowly with that. This time I'm gonna write it to her hand. He changes that chorus just a little bit. So mind that you're going to go A flat, C, E flat. Sometimes it's hard to switch gears and just hold that A flat, but it doesn't hurt it if you go. It won't hurt you at all you're doing is filling in the chord. But at the chorus tag, what he does is he plays through that. And then he goes back into just return to sender. I'm going to play that 3 times. Return to sender, and I'm going to hold that B flat and then go B flat, C, B flat, A flat. Return to sender, B flat, C, B flat, A flat. Then the last time you're going B flat, C, B flat, E flat, and then all we're going to do is put in an E flat 7th chord, which is G, B flat, D flat, E flat. Shimmer that as much as you want, or as long as you want, and as fast as you want. And you can either add the B flat and the E flat in your left hand, or you can just keep the E flat by itself. It doesn't matter. You're just filling out that E flat 7. And then you just pop it at the end of it. So that final chorus will sound like. And pop it. There you have it, Return to Sender by Elvis Presley. I hope you enjoy it.